In this video we will be discussing the health benefits of pumpkin seeds. Sit back and enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepita, are flat and covered by a dark green coat and have yellowish white husk. They have a chewable texture and a nutty flavor just like nuts. The taste of pumpkin seed is sweet and a little bit crisp. Makes a perfect snack for your day or a great topping for your meal. Pumpkin seeds provide large range of nutrients, including magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, zinc, iron and copper. Pumpkin seeds are also an excellent source of protein, vitamins A, vitamin C and as well as vitamin E. Not only does it contain vitamins, but it contains mineral and protein. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in good fat. 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds contains 15 grams of fat. It is also high in omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. Health benefits of pumpkin seeds. Due to its wide range of nutrients, pumpkin seed provides many health benefits for the body. Below are the list of some of the health benefits. Alleviate stress. Pumpkin seed is amazing to alleviate stress. It will help to get rid of your stress and alleviate your depression. Pumpkin seed contains high amount of magnesium, which has a calming effect to the nerve, and it also helps in the neurotransmitter signaling within the brain, and this result in you feeling better. Protect the kidney. The phytochemical component of pumpkin seed can also help to prevent the accumulation of harmful substance within the kidney, which can trigger the development of gallstone or kidney stone. It also can purify the blood before it enter the kidney. It helps the kidney in filtering the blood to produce urine and eliminate the metabolic waste from the body. Improve bladder function. Studies shows that pumpkin seed extract can improve the bladder function in restoring the urine and protect it from any infection or disorder due to its high content of phytochemicals and nutrients. Improve vision. Not only vegetables, some nuts including pumpkin seed are rich in vitamin A. This makes it a great snack, and in turn helps to improve eyesight. Maintains strong bones. Pumpkin seeds contain some level of calcium, which beneficial in maintaining bone mass, and it also contains zinc, that can help in prevention of losing bone mass, also known as osteoporosis. Study that published in the American Journal of Medicine mentioned that people who consume zinc regularly tend to have lower risk of developing osteoporosis in elder age. Reduce cholesterol level. Pumpkin seeds are rich in phytosterol and fatty acid, especially omega-6 and omega-3, that have been proven can significantly decrease the level of LDL, low-density lipoprotein, that is known as bad fat. The fatty acid in pumpkin seed also have the ability to increase the level of good fat, or HDL, high-density lipoprotein, within the body. Reduce the risk of heart disease. By reduce the cholesterol level inside the body, and helps to prevent atherosclerosis, pumpkin seeds can help the body to provide better heart function. Reduce inflammation in arthritis. Pumpkin seed possesses healing properties that have been proved can reduce inflammation within the body, and has the same effect with non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs such as indomethacin. This anti-inflammatory properties can reduce the inflammatory symptoms. This substance also beneficial in protecting the joints lining from arthritis symptoms, and reduce the pain when it happen occasionally. Promotes good mood. If you want to increase your mood, just take a handful of pumpkin seed, and eat it as a snack or mix it with your favorite dish. Pumpkin seed contains amino acids which include trypthopan, that promotes the production of serotonin, a hormone that can induce the good feeling, and promotes good mood inside the body. Fast healing of the wound. Pumpkin seed contains some protein that is known as bodybuilding block, and it is useful in the repairs of body tissue. The cells that broken in the body will be replaced by new cells that is promoted by the presence of protein and amino acids. This is why pumpkin seed can be helpful in healing wound. Maintain healthy and young skin. Although it comes in small size, it doesn't mean pumpkin seed has less benefits for your skin. Pumpkin seeds contains vitamin C and vitamin E, and also contain other phytochemical that act as antioxidant, and it helps to prevent the skin from damage, and the sign of aging such as wrinkle and sagging skin. Induce good sleep. High level of magnesium makes pumpkin seed as superfood that can be used to treat any sleep deprivation including insomnia. The magnesium content of pumpkin seed will trigger the nerve to reach its calm state, and promotes a better sleep quality at night. Maintain healthy brain. Just like other parts of the body, brain needs nutrients the most. Pumpkin seed contains some fatty acids including omega-3 and omega-6 that can protect the brain cells from damage and improving the brain performance. Side effect and tips. There are no cases reported after consumption of pumpkin seeds, and it is safe to be consumed by anyone including pregnant and breastfeeding women. Due to its content of protein, it may cause allergic reaction, but it is so rare. To get the benefits of pumpkin seed, follow these tips, and make sure you get the good quality pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are usually available in stores, just read the label and know the expired date of the product. Make sure it doesn't exceed a year in storage at the store. Even if you can get it easily at the stores or if it's hard to find it in the market. You can make your own roasted pumpkin seed by cleaning the seed from any pulp, then dry it overnight on a tray which has been covered by paper. The next day, just place and spread the seeds on tray. Baked it inside oven in 75 degrees Celsius temperature, within 15 to 20 minutes, remember to use low temperature, and a longer time of baking instead of using high temperature, and fast baking time. The slow process of roasting the pumpkin seed will keep the essential oil and the nutrients inside. Store the roasted pumpkin seed in an airtight container. It can be stored for several months. Pumpkin seed is best for consumption up to 2 months after it is roasted. You can directly consume the pumpkin seed, or sprinkle it to your dish such as salad, muffin, ice cream and other foods that you love to enjoy. Never underestimate something that comes in small size. Pumpkin seeds provides many health benefits, so don't throw it out. When consume pumpkin flesh, just collect the seeds, roast it and enjoy to get all the benefits. Please like, share, subscribe.